Morning, Picket. What you want?
Munchie, run carry the phone go give Auntie Flavoral because you know it's not you me come about.
Then Cruff, you can say morning.
Run carry the phone go give Auntie Flavoral and stop done off my credit.
Finance Minister.
Oh, good morning, Auntie Flavoral. You're supposed to be on cloud 9 this morning. How you do?
Looking at you, the poorer one.
I am me fi tell you.
I take it you heard.
Me hear yesterday and I couldn't turn me heel. Me tell myself say Skaka put on in drawers this morning me go give you a phone call. What a wonderful news, ma.
That I'm going to finance?
Know that you're leaving education. What never reveal itself in a year in a day doing? What a way Christmas come early for you this year?
Well, in your own words, I'm me fi tell you.
For me know how not today or yesterday you have your eye on that deposition.
I'm me fi tell you.
But me no blame you still because the Bible says you must envy good things.
I'm me fi tell you.
So you ain't just over education and go and keep the seat warm until you get your promotion and get your rightful position.
Only using your words, I'm me fi tell you.
And rightfully so, because unlike over education, you're actually qualified for the local finance work.
I am, and I'm me fi tell you.
Where you say the stone that the builder refuse.
I'm me fi tell you.
But tell me something, Auntie Flavoral. How size shoes you wear, ma?
About 6 to 6.5.
Yes. You look like somebody with very tiny feet. That means to say, size 12 wide won't have been fit you.
Don't be ridiculous. No.
Not even if you're stuffy with tissue.
12 wide are humongous shoes.
True. 12 wide are massive, ginormous shoes for your tiny, cute, petite feet. Anywho, what you can tell about your new auntie?
New auntie? Who is that?
Na Auntie Nana Munus. One little birdie pinch me and tell me say she have degrees in economics and government and international studies. You think she overqualified? Hardly same, she and the teachers will have a lot in common because the teachers have the economics out the little trap and some money time to make it work. And then always have in a entanglement with the government. And when things not quite work out, them hope to go overseas, go help those students with their international studies. So I see the connection. You see it?
See what?
Anywho, darling, a hearty congratulations to you and all the best into your new role. May perpetual light shine on you eternal.
I thank you.
Good.